If Steam Remote Play is lagging, stuttering, or feeling delayed, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Whether you're streaming to a laptop, phone, Steam Deck, or another PC, these settings can make a huge difference in smoothness, responsiveness, and overall video quality. A lot of remote play issues come from network setup, codec settings, or a few hidden performance options that most people never change. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the biggest cause of Steam Remote Play lag, your network connection. For the best results, your main gaming PC should be connected to your router with Ethernet. This is one of the most important fixes because if your host PC is on Wi-Fi and your client device is also on Wi-Fi, you're basically stacking wireless instability on top of wireless instability. That often causes stutter, input delay, and random frame drops during gameplay. If your receiving device is using Wi-Fi, try to connect it to a strong 5 GHz or 6 GHz network instead of 2.4 GHz. On Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 routers, the faster bands usually give you a much more stable experience for streaming. Next, open Steam and go to Settings, then Remote Play, and then Advanced Host Options. Here, make sure hardware encoding is enabled. This allows your PC to use the GPU more efficiently when encoding the stream, which can improve performance and reduce lag. If your system supports it, AV1 is a great modern option because it's more efficient than older codecs and can deliver better quality at the same bitrate. That means smoother video without needing as much network bandwidth. But AV1 is not always the best choice for every device, so if your client device is older, weaker, or struggling with playback, you may want to switch to HEVC, also known as H.265. HEVC is often a safer choice for older phones, older laptops, and devices that don't handle AV1 very well. The goal is to match the codec to the device, not just use the newest option automatically. Now let's fix a setting that can seriously improve responsiveness. Go into Advanced Client Options and enable Low Latency Networking. This helps reduce delay by bypassing some standard network buffering, which can make gameplay feel much snappier. If you've ever felt like your controls were a little behind your inputs, this is one of the first things you should try. Another very important fix is to match your desktop resolution to the streaming client. In Steam Remote Play, enable the option that changes the desktop resolution to match the client. This prevents your PC from rendering unnecessary extra pixels that you're not even seeing on the remote device. In many cases, this simple change can reduce load on the host machine and make the stream more efficient overall. If you're using a Steam Deck, a phone, or even certain tablets and laptops, there's another setting worth checking: Wi-Fi power management. On some devices, power-saving features can cause rhythmic hitching, micro-stutters, or inconsistent streaming performance. If your device supports developer mode or advanced network settings, look for Wi-Fi power management and turn it off while gaming or streaming. This can help keep the connection more stable during remote play sessions. Also, make sure other heavy downloads or uploads aren't running in the background. Cloud backups, game updates, browser uploads, and even other people using the same network can all add latency and reduce stream quality. If possible, pause large downloads and test remote play again. Sometimes the fix is not one big setting, but several small improvements working together. If you're still getting lag, lower the streaming resolution and test again. Sometimes your network is fine, but the stream is simply too demanding for the current setup. Dropping the resolution or frame rate slightly can make a big difference, especially on weaker Wi-Fi connections or older devices. And don't forget to keep Steam, your GPU drivers, and your client device updated. Performance improvements for remote play are constantly being refined, and newer updates can improve codec support and reduce compatibility issues. So to quickly recap, use Ethernet for your host PC, keep the client on 5 GHz or 6 GHz Wi-Fi, enable hardware encoding, try AV1 if your hardware supports it, switch to HEVC if needed, turn on low latency networking, disable Wi-Fi power management when possible, and match the desktop resolution to the streaming client. Those steps will solve most Steam Remote Play lag problems and give you a much smoother experience. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech and gaming tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to make a full Steam Remote Play optimization guide next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.